Hey Planner Pals, and welcome back to Planning with Maggie, where we talk about ways to go from being busy to being productive. I'm Rachel, and today we're going to talk about how to start a bullet journal in just 5 minutes. Before we dive right in, go ahead and give this video a quick thumbs up and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any more videos with content like this. Okay, so jumping right on in, there's usually a couple of misconceptions that people have when they're looking to start their very own bullet journal for the first time. And those things are that it needs to be complicated, it needs to be incredibly beautiful and artistic, and that it's going to take a long time to get started and set up, and it's going to take even longer to maintain that system that you're creating. Now, the first thing that I want you to know is that a bullet journal is supposed to be a productivity tool first. So while it can be great to make sure that they're beautiful and that you can express yourself creatively in them as well, that's fantastic, but it has to be functional for you first. If it's not doing its job. After all, a bullet journal is supposed to make your life easier, not harder. Rachael says that the true purpose of the bullet journal is to track the past, organize the present, and plan for the future. What I think this means is creating a system where you track things that are important to you so that you can learn the lessons based on what happened. You can prioritize the things that are in your present right now, and you'll also have a place to write down your goals and dreams and things that you want to see for yourself in the future and be able to plan around those so that they're much more likely to be accomplished. So really, when you're looking to set up your first bullet journal, there's really 4 things you need to know. You have to make sure that you're able to set up a key, so you know what it is that you're writing down at a glance. You want to have a future log because since you create a bullet journal as you go, you're going to need to have a place where you can put things that are happening down the line. You're also going to have a monthly log, and this is where you're tracking things that are happening in the very near future. So things that are happening this month, tasks that you need to be completing, reminders that you might have, things along those lines that are in your immediate future. And lastly, you want to have space for rapid logging. So this is where you jot down the things that you're taking over from your future and monthly log, things that you need to be taking care of today. This is also where you're going to use those icons to jot down things as they come up and as you get them done. And that's really all there is to it. After you have all of these spreads set up, which should take you no longer than 5 minutes, you're all set to go. All you need to keep doing is setting up 5 minutes in your schedule every day to make sure that you're maintaining your bullet journal. So you can do this either in your morning routine or in your evening routine, whatever one works better for you. But the goal there is to make sure that you're reflecting and recapping what's going on. So personally, I like to do mine in the evening. I go through my day, what did I get done? What do I still need to do? What didn't I do but I don't actually need to do? Take a look through all those things and then make sure that if there's something that I haven't been able to get to, I'm going to be able to move that to my next day. Doing this in the morning is also awesome because you can take a look at your day and know exactly what it is that you need to be doing. So your goals and priorities are already set for you. You just need to make sure that you are taking a look and setting yourself up properly. The big thing to keep in mind is that this needs to be simple. A bullet journal isn't supposed to make your life harder, right? It's supposed to make it easier, as we talked about. So keeping things straight to the point, you only need to spend these couple of minutes, write things down, cross them out, do a quick reflection. That's really all that needs to happen in these couple of minutes. After you've been building the habit of maintaining your bullet journal, you'll be finding that it saves you a ton of time because you always know where to look for the information that you need. And that's all today's video is about. All you need is 5 minutes to start a bullet journal, and then you just need to invest that 5 minutes every day to make sure that you're staying on top of everything that needs to get done. If you're able to do that, you're going to find yourself being more productive, more focused, and being able to accomplish more during the course of each and every day that you're using it. So go ahead and start today with setting up your key, your future log, monthly log, and then all you need to do is jot down everything that you need to remember. If you liked this video and found it helpful, give it a quick thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you'll get more content surrounding productivity, time management, and bullet journaling. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye.